Welcome back friends. In today's video, we will do the installation of Titan Linux 1.2.1 Cronus stable edition. So let us start the installation. And in next video, we will do the detailed review of the Titan Linux Cronus stable KDE minimal desktop edition. And I will also take you to through the background of Titan Linux, who the developers are and what is their target. So let us start the installation. Yes. Select the Debian template, Debian 10, because Titan Linux is based on Debian Bullseye stable edition. Give 4 GB of RAM and around 25 GBs of hard disk for a comfortable install. Now the live desktop will be booted up. So this is the minimal KDE desktop on a Titan Linux 1.2.1 Cronus. So now let us start the installation. Installer is saying install Debian. So since this is based on Debian, installer still mentions Debian instead of Cronus. The local is not properly selected, though the internet connection is available. You have to select the proper local, hit next button, and keyboard layout Indian default, change it to English India with rupee, hit next. We go with master boot record, or you can go with GPT also. So let us go with GPT. Create eight GB of unformatted space for the BIOS grub. Now create a boot folder, or we can say boot partition. File system can be extended for, or we can go with FAT32 also, and select boot mount point. Now create a swap space. Use around 4 GB of swap because we have given 4 GB of RAM. Select the where it is swap. Here it is at the end. Select the swap space, and the remaining free space you have to use as a root partition. Select the root flag. Now we are done. Install bootloader on master boot record MBR. Select next. Yes, so we already made a 8 MB unformatted partition with BIOS graph flag enabled. So we need not worry for this warning. Use the same password for administrator account. Select next. It will show you a summary of the settings we have done till now. Everything is okay. Just now hit the install button and we wait for the installation to complete. Then we will stop the video, and in the next video we will check out the complete background of Titan Linux, and then we will do the detailed review of the Titan Linux desktop itself. It is using KDE minimal desktop as the flagship desktop for the Titan Linux. The installer is quite slow, I can say. The unpacking, especially the unpacking part, is very slow. Okay, so installing is now done. We will stop the video here. Thank you for being with us during the course of the installation. In the next video, we will check out the background of Titan Linux and then do the detailed review of Titan Linux KDE minimal desktop. Thank you very much. Do like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button, otherwise you will miss the new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.